Today I'm going to finish taking the bed apart and then see what else I can get into, so let's get to it. Okay, I got the fellow blah blah blah. Okay, I got the wheel houses off where they were attached right here with the bolts. They had Nature's Loctite on them, so y'all just saw me cut all those bolts off. So all the bed panels are taken apart. Now I just got to figure out what else I got to do. Probably move to the cab. Maybe. I don't know. So my dad doesn't want these holes in his doors. So I'm going to use this piece from the old door to weld into said hole. And then it'll all be good. But I got to tear all this door down, because we're going to scrap it anyway. Just tear it down, cut my piece out, have it for that later, then throw this in the scrap heap. All the way down? All the way up. All the way down? Get out of the way. Let's see. What? How the... Oh. Try and take this door apart so I can throw. Really? I already put those back in because this track is all loose.
Yeah. So that track, what? Will that track pull down?
Oh no! It look. It will pull down if you pull hard enough. Ow! Nope.
Oh, it's a cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah, paintings came out a lot easier than this.
This is from the 80s.
That's true. You're not wrong.
You can window crank it, sort of, kind of, not really. No, that doesn't do anything. Stop that. Stop that. Like, I don't really need this glass, but I don't want to break it. Because I don't want to make a mess.
I understand. So, if we get this down...
That's why I had those screws in. Because I was trying to roll it up, because then it puts these closer to the edge.
So, let's... Already fucked it up.
You're the one that took screws out!
Miss this. We used to fuck shit up in the shop all the time. I'm gonna take those in there. Well, I miss you, boy. How about that?
I don't miss that sound. What are you rolling it down for?
So I can get this out.
Oh, okay. Are you sure you're gonna be able to get that out?
Yes. I am 76.3% sure. Make it look here in a second.
There's, there you go. I was gonna say there's that spring with the ground washer on it, or whatever that is. Do you need help?
I don't know what's happening in there.
Well, pull it out.
I didn't make the open big enough, okay?
You're just not holding your tongue right. Oh, turn it. There you go. You just weren't doing it right. I told you weren't doing it right.
Wing winder out.
Now glass comes out? Well, now that that's out of the way, should we be able to just like take those out and we'll take them out. What are you doing?
Well, that's not going to come out. That's not going to come out. Up there, that's got to come out up here.
Well, why are you taking those out for then?
Hold me to
I don't know what I'm doing. You know how long it's been since I've taken something this old apart?
Yesterday?
No, that's just the bed.
Go!
Go to where I need you to. Loosen that one, it makes it easier.
I do it.
Loosen it more.
But then it'll fall.
It ain't gonna fall. Still making it complicated. What? We don't know what we're doing.
Hell yeah. I took Hayden's apart. Pulled this glass out.
I told him, you know, there's only like 20 years difference on this.
I don't need your Hey, Dad was going to reuse it.
No, that's what that door's for.
He needs to order a new one of these.
The only thing he's reusing on this door is this piece I cut out because he doesn't want the speaker holes in that door, so I'm putting this in there.
Now we gotta lift the glass up. It's waiting to come out of it. As it's fell down.
It's still stuck in the track?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, the bottom track?
Yeah.
It's glued in?
Yeah. Well,
I don't remember how to get that out.
just pull it.
No.
Yes, you do.
It's just glued in with silicone. Glass.
But it's like this. It's like grain tape. Is all it is. Kind of sturdier piece. Something to put in something.
I can put it on the floor.
Yeah.
I used to have a hanger.
There should be notches in this track.
What?
See that? That's what I was trying to do, but I couldn't get it out the track.
Why do you need the window out?
Because I'm gonna put this door in the scrap trailer.
You're gonna keep it?
What? I don't need this door.
I'm gonna get that.
What am I gonna keep it for? I got that one.
I would assume keep it in case something.
Like what?
Look, see, 20 years difference don't make a difference.
I just had to remember. It's a little like the track. This part is a little different than Hayden's truck. That's it.
You're gonna keep everything out of it?
Yeah. I'm
Is
just
that
like,
okay with you throwing in the scrap trailer?
I don't know.
I'm just saying, you might want to ask.
It's gonna work. Yes.
The shell as good as the other one?
Yeah.
That shot's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, I need you.
Know your abilities?
I need you to adjust the doors on Hayden's truck.
No, we were painting that.
Eventually. He's got.
I'm used to it.
Not that I care, but I'm gonna have to put a lot of beats in.
Put a lot of
A lot of beats in.
What are you talking about? Oh. Oh. Whoops. I didn't see your phone there.
I don't care. Just making fun of you. I really don't know what I'm doing. Figured this stuff might possibly be useful.
Oh yeah.
Son of a!
I mean, you're bleeping me. You might as well just go ahead and say things over with to make you feel better.
Glad I had a tetanus shot a couple years ago.
I wonder if this will fit in Hayden's truck. Because I'd like to convert his from electric to manual.
What? Why would you do such a thing?
Well, because I have to buy a whole new motor and regulator system because on the driver's side, this rivet came out.
There's no one in it.
Yeah.
Take it out, put another one in it, put it back in.
I took it out.
And? Broke what? The rivet or the motor?
I may or may not have gotten mad at myself. So.
I see the problem now.
My anger got the best of me, alright? I shouldn't have let it happen. But I did.
My finger hurts.
I got something in my eyeball.
I got eyeballs on my eyeball. Man, I love old school door handles.
Oh yeah, just yeah, pull the rod out and that's it.
We should pull the door handle out. The rod's attached to it.
So Hayden's has
Like it literally just it pushes on the.
yeah.
It's the stupidest,
Hayden-
simplest.
Hayden's
It's not
is
stupid.
good.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, Hayden. I was on.
You either need to quit drinking or drink more.
It's definitely more. I haven't had enough. It's definitely more.
All right, you want to help me do the other one? I mean, you got something else you're doing?
You want to take this mirror off?
Yeah. I'm also going to take the little chrome things off.
Oh.
What? What are you doing?
I'm taking the mirror off.
Oh my God! Now we got to flip it back over.
I can flip it over.
Jeez, please. Can't find good help these days.
What are you doing? Well, I thought if I loosened it, it would move.
Just take it off. We're not even using that. Just take it off, though. Just take it off. Get it off.
Ugh. Yeah.
Don't.
That's why I loosened the screw.
I see. It's a brown cow.
Pinched my thumb just then, and it hurt really bad.
I made metal sharp and used it to cut my finger.
Pizza.
Come on, go ahead and say it.
You know, they make a 90-degree tool to go in one of those impacts.
Yeah, well, they also have a ratchet. I got all kinds of stuff. Look, I got a hand sawzall thing, an impact, a screwdriver handheld thing.
I have everything. It's right over there in that truck.
You're the one that chose to do it by hand.
It's because I'm lazy and I'm fat, and I looked around and these were here, and I was like, ooh, I don't have to walk anywhere.
See, is that something?
I got it.
If it falls off, that's fine. I think he's using those. I don't know.
These mirrors would have been cooler. You have to weld those holes up?
Yeah. I mean, I got plenty of welding to do, so that, you know. Hey, this is a lot lighter with all that crap out of it. Now, I don't really know how these come out.
Oh, there's the plastic clips.
There's more than plastic clips. There's also these things.
Oh, that's a metal clip.
But we're working with 90-year-old crap here. I think I did close that. Sometimes I shouldn't use tools. Ah! I got it! Look at me go!
Is that the? Oh yeah, that's the bottom piece. Huh?
Yeah, it's a little big piece. I started with the easy one.
That's a lot of glue.
I didn't do it.
I did it. I'll tell you that. He hates me already.
Yeah, the end of that one. That was.
Yeah, so this one was glued in here, kind of like that.
I don't think I'm gonna reuse any of that.
Well, oh, these are just little sliders.
Remember outside the camera?
It's right there.
Hello. Seat removal time. Maybe I can do this by myself. Oh yeah. I forgot to put this up. Whoops. Easy. Awkward. I guess I gotta figure out how to get this gas tank out. Hey, there's a moth. And garbage. And no goodies. Okay, I need a 1/2 inch. Yep, it's not the 3/8 I left in there. I got my mini Ugga Dugga. It probably won't do anything. I did it. Huh. Yep. 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 I don't know how to get it out. need that. Oh. Call me Butterfinger. Call me, put these in a bag before I lose them. Off. Put these tiny things in a bag before I lose them. Did I get the right size? No! Yay! That's normal. I suck at deciding what size things are. Don't look, it may be the wrong size. Really? It ain't that big. Pretend you didn't see that. I got 2 this time. That is entirely the wrong size. What the heck? Oh, I had the right size like the 3rd time, but I'm just dumb. Come. I bet you I'm dumb and this one spins and this one stays. So you stay there. I'm gonna go get a different ring. I'm telling you, I spend more time getting tools. Three. No. No. Bingo! We have a winner! And I didn't break it. Go me. Now, let's see if I can get gas everywhere. Maybe there's no gas in here. Or maybe there's really bad gas in here. Hey, no gas. Sweet. I just gotta figure out how to get this thing out of here. Ow! What was that? That hurt. Alright, move my crap. A little jiggle jiggle. Well, let's make a lot of noise while we're at it. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Come on, work with me here. Work with me. Show me what you got. Not like that. Huh. How does that come off? Now, who puts a hose? I swear. There's probably people out there laughing at me that I didn't take this off. That's okay. That's not what I do for a living. I paint cars. I just do this on the side. Oh, shit. And apparently I can't do this. Why is this not working? I can't see it. Oh. I got it off. Loud. Get out of the way. Oh, there we go. Okay. This wire has got. You stay with the truck. Get out of my way. Ow! I don't know why I thought I could stand up inside a truck. There's still old gas in here. Thankfully, not very much. Whoa! Gas pedal, disassemble. Easiest thing I'll do all day. Just easy peasy. Keys in my way. What if I go get a screwdriver? Ha! I win, not you. That's cool, that did nothing. How do I get you out of here? Stop. Oh, maybe no. Nope. You just... There we go. Oh, you got dust in my eye. Ow! Don't put your fingers in there. You'll get pinched. Oh, that comes off. Maybe. Do you come off? Oh, yeah, boy. Look at that. Look at that. I'm doing things. Whoa. Why is there a light on? Oh my God. I'm an idiot. Jeez. I told you I don't know what I'm doing. Can't even find my flashlight now. Ow! Get up. Finally! I got it out. So my plan was to take the dash out so I could fix it and paint it, and then I googled YouTube, whatever, and I'm not going to do that because there's spot welds underneath this, and this dash is in good shape. It doesn't really need to be like replaced. It just needs to be, it needs some love. Like it's rough. I mean, you can you see it? Yeah. So I'm going to take everything else out of the dash, like this, all this, and then I'll take the glass out eventually, and then just like fix it and spray it in the truck, because I don't want to take 45 spot welds out if there's nothing really wrong with the dash. Unless I get the windshield out and it's completely rushed out in the windshield, then I'll change my mind. But right now I'm going to leave this thing in here. But I did get all that stuff out. So I got progress. And so I made progress. That's what I'm trying to say, and I changed my mind because I don't want to do that. No, thank you. Saving the rest of the cab for a different day. I'm gonna take this stuff off. Maybe. I grabbed the right tools before I started the camera. Maybe I'm doing it right. Huh? You ever think about that? More tools. Aha. Right size. Oh my god. Ow. One down. 84 more to go. Again, I don't know. That one's gonna be tricky. Tricky. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's the wrong size. Put the right one on there. Ooh, it just falls off. Look at that, I did something right. Can you see that? Oh. Wet. Success. One piece down. Okay. Back to what I was doing. Bolts, I forgot something. There sure are a lot of bolts holding this one fender up. Come on, get out of there. Another one bites the dust. that part of that one off. Yeah. Oh, nope. I was overlooking it. I found you. I can't get to you. Why are you bent up? Is it this one? Removed. The fender is still on there. Haha! I got it. Still gotta get the one that don't want to come off. Oh, great. Lay down in the dirty floor. Oh, that bolt is rusty. We have fender removal! Ta-da! Cool. Put them in a baggie. So I went ahead and took this side off. I didn't show because it's the exact same process, but I also took the bumper off. You wouldn't have seen me do that anyway. I was completely hidden underneath the truck, and I don't have a whole lot of room here. But now I'm going to take the grill and this front piece off. Maybe you'll get to see that. Here it comes. I don't know what to do now. I will just unplug this and then push this through this hole. Look, you have to come out no matter what, because I got to paint this. Come on. Come on. There we go. Grill removed. Going 2 bolts, 4 bolts, 6 bolts, 2 bolts. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? I don't know why I sang that. And voila! This piece is off too. Which was not that bad. Not bad at all. That's it for this video. Next time I can't take that hood off by myself, so I'm gonna have some help and need some help inside the dash. But if you made it to the end, this is kind of a longer video. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.